Hi guys, I am Lucia and I study at Whitecliffe College doing a diploma in apparel and fashion technology. I chose Whitecliffe because from the minute that I walked through the elevator I just thought that the environment was really fun. All the faces were super fresh and super friendly, and got to sit down and do some arts and crafts on the open day, and I just thought like this is where I belong, you know, using my hands, creating stuff, and yeah, I really had a drive to want to make my own clothes. So at the moment we are working on our final collection, so I am doing a free-look women's wear collection, really honing in on women's wear work apparel and looking at masculine tailoring processes and kind of merging them together. So this is working towards our end of year fashion show where we graduate and we have a whole collection of garments that we show on a runway. Probably one of my highlights throughout my whole 3 years here in Wellington was really creating a family unit throughout the years that I studied. We have, you know, a range of ages, a range of people from completely different backgrounds, and I really found my family of people that work with the same mindset as me and the same goals, and that was probably one of my highlights. Another highlight was getting to go to Fashion Week for Resine, so getting the opportunity to make my own garment for someone, and then I got a finalist, so I got sent away to Fashion Week, and that was a really crazy experience. I never thought that my garments would be walking on a runway at Fashion Week, so yeah. So after my diploma I am looking at applying for workroom jobs. So ideally getting some experience in the industry and possibly being a sample machinist, and then gathering all those skills and then hopefully starting up my own brand or getting a studio space and just working on my own garments. Yeah, I would say if you have any inkling that you really just want to try it out, give it a go. You'll know within the first year if you really love this stuff, and if you do, just show up and try and absorb all the learning from all the amazing tutors that we have here. They're all so talented and have had so much experience in the industry, so just learning from them and challenging yourself with different silhouettes and different styles that you would have never thought that you could do, because the end result is so satisfying and really, really cool.